Before modern technology, farmers relied on true mechanical relics that, despite being simple, revolutionized the field. In today's video, we are going on a journey through time to discover some of the most incredible old machines that have ever worked the fields. Lanz Bulldog D3606. The Lanz Bulldog D3606 is a farm tractor produced by the German company Heinrich Lanz AG between 1954 and 1956 in Mannheim, Baden-Württemberg. One of the main highlights of the Lanz Bulldog D3606 was its engine. Unlike most modern tractors, it had a single-cylinder diesel engine that generated 36 horsepower, equivalent to approximately 26.8 kilowatts. It may seem like little compared to today's tractors, but at the time this power was enough to handle heavy tasks efficiently. The secret to this engine's success was its simplicity. With fewer moving parts and a robust design, it required little maintenance and was easy to repair. Additionally, it was an extremely durable engine, designed to operate in harsh conditions and withstand long working hours without failure. Another strong point of the D3606 was its transmission. Equipped with a 6-speed system, it offered versatility for different types of farm work. With adjustable gears, farmers could use it for plowing the land or transporting loads, adjusting the speed as needed. Alice Chalmers Model U. The Alice Chalmers Model U was a farm tractor produced between 1929 and 1952 by Alice Chalmers in the United States. More than 19,000 units were manufactured by 1952, proving that it was not just another model. It was here to stay. Initially, the tractor was equipped with a 281 cubic inch, 4.6-liter Continental engine with 4 cylinders running on gasoline. Over time, new engine options were added, such as the 299 cubic inch, 4.9-liter Waukesha, and from 1933 onwards, an Alice Chalmers proprietary engine with 317 cubic inches, 5.2 liters of displacement. Until then, tractors used steel wheels, which offered little traction and made working on certain types of soil difficult. But with the Model U, Alice Chalmers introduced something revolutionary: pneumatic tires. This change may seem simple today, but at the time it was a major breakthrough. Rubber tires improved traction, reduced fuel consumption, and made the tractor's operation much more efficient. And it was at one of these events in 1933 that the legendary driver Barney Oldfield set an impressive record. He managed to reach an incredible 64 miles per hour, 103 kilometers per hour, with a Model U equipped with rubber tires. A tractor at that speed? Something completely unimaginable at the time. Land's Bulldog D1616. The Lanz Bulldog D1616 is a classic tractor manufactured by Heinrich Lanz AG between 1955 and 1960 in Mannheim, Germany. This model belongs to the Lanz HE series and is known for its robustness and mechanical simplicity. Looking at the Lanz Bulldog D1616, we see a typical design of the time: straight lines, a sturdy structure, and an exposed engine that allows easy maintenance access. But what really stands out is its engine. We are talking about a single-cylinder, two-stroke diesel engine with 137 cubic inches, 2,256 cubic centimeters of displacement, a configuration that may seem modest today, but at the time ensured reliability and ease of maintenance. Despite its relatively compact structure, the D1616 delivered 16 horsepower, equivalent to approximately 11.9 kilowatts. It may seem small compared to modern tractors, but remember, at that time the goal was to provide power and durability for heavy farm work, and this model performed its function with excellence. The D1616 was not a lightweight tractor. Weighing approximately 3,175 pounds, 1,440 kilograms, it had the stability needed to handle demanding tasks without compromising operator safety. Belarus MTZ2. The Belarus MTZ2 tractor was one of the first agricultural tractor models produced by Minsk Tractor Works, MTZ, one of the world's largest agricultural equipment manufacturers. Founded on May 29, 1946, MTZ began producing tractors with pneumatic tires in 1953, with the MTZ2 being one of the pioneers in this line. Although detailed technical information about the MTZ2 is scarce, it is known that this model marked MTZ's transition to manufacturing tractors with tires, differentiating it from previous models that used tracks. This change allowed for greater versatility and efficiency in agricultural use, contributing to the popularity of Belarus tractors in various markets. Production of the MTZ-2 began in 1953, and by 1958, MTZ had reached the milestone of 100,000 tractors produced, including this model. This tractor was instrumental in establishing MTZ's reputation as a manufacturer of robust and reliable agricultural machines, paving the way for subsequent models that continued to evolve in terms of power and functionality. Today, the MTZ-2 is considered a classic of Soviet and Belarusian agricultural engineering, appreciated by collectors and enthusiasts of historic agricultural machines. Its importance lies not only in its technical specifications, but also in the role it played in agricultural mechanization during the mid-20th century. Alice Chalmers Model UC. The Alice Chalmers Model UC was a farm tractor produced by Alice Chalmers between 1930 and 1953. This model was a variant of the Model U tractor, adapted for row crops to compete with the success of International Harvester's Farmall Regular. If you look at the Model UC, you will see an imposing tractor. Its four-cylinder gasoline engine had a displacement of 317 cubic inches, 5.2 liters. This provided decent power for the time, about 19 horsepower at the drawbar and up to 31 horsepower at the belt pulley. Its transmission could be configured with 3 or 4 gears, although none of them were synchronized, requiring considerable skill from the operator to shift correctly. In terms of structure, the UC had a wheelbase of 87 inches, 220 centimeters, and an operating weight of 5,110 pounds, 2,637 kilograms. Alice Chalmers produced approximately 4,647 units of the Model UC. Additionally, there was a special version called the UC Cane, designed for sugarcane farming, which had an even smaller production run, with only 1,541 units manufactured. Interestingly, in the beginning, the Model UC was named All Crop, but the name changed over time. Even though it was a tractor with good technical capabilities, it faced challenges in the market. Today, the Alice Chalmers Model UC has become a collector's tractor. Many enthusiasts dedicate time and money to restoring these machines, ensuring that their history is not forgotten. International Harvester 1826. The International Harvester 1826 was an agricultural tractor produced between 1969 and 1971 by International Harvester in the United States. If there is one aspect that made the International Harvester 826 such an iconic tractor, it was its mechanical configuration. The tractor was equipped with an International Harvester D358 engine, a 6-cylinder with 5.9 liters, combining power and efficiency. At the power takeoff, PTO, it delivered approximately 92 horsepower, while at the drawbar its power was around 79 horsepower. Additionally, the model offered two options: a 16-speed transmission with a 2-speed power shift, or a hydrostatic transmission, providing flexibility for different types of operations. The 826 had a wheelbase of 104 3/4 inches and an operating weight of approximately 9,859 pounds, ensuring stability and traction. In addition to being powerful, the International Harvester 826 was also designed to be a functional and efficient tractor. Its open-center hydraulic system allowed for the practical and effective use of agricultural implements. Another highlight was its independent power takeoff, which operated at 540 or 1,000 revolutions per minute, allowing the connection of a wide variety of implements. As for operator comfort, the driver could choose between an open station or an optional cab, ensuring greater protection against weather conditions and better ergonomics during long work shifts. John Deere 2130. The John Deere 2130 is a utility tractor produced by John Deere between 1973 and 1979. Manufactured at the Mannheim factory in Germany, this model replaced the John Deere 2120. The John Deere 2130 came equipped with a 4-cylinder inline diesel engine with a 3.9-litre displacement. This engine delivered 73.8 net horsepower at 2,500 revolutions per minute, making it an ideal machine for various agricultural tasks, from soil preparation to load transport. In addition to its power, this engine was known for its fuel efficiency and reliability, characteristics that helped solidify the model's reputation among farmers. Another standout feature of the 2130 was its transmission. The tractor offered two gearbox options, one with 8 forward gears and 4 reverse gears, and a more advanced version with 16 forward gears and 8 reverse gears, thanks to the high-low system, which acted as a torque amplifier. This gave the operator greater flexibility to work in different conditions, optimizing traction and improving efficiency in agricultural operations. Speaking of traction, the model was initially launched with two-wheel drive, 4x2, but in 1974, a hydraulic front-wheel assist option was introduced. By 1978, a version with full mechanical 4-wheel drive was released, further increasing its capability on difficult terrains. The hydraulic system was another strong point of the John Deere 2130. It used a closed center system with a pressure of 2,248 pounds per square inch, equivalent to 155 bar, and a pump flow rate of 6.6 gallons per minute, or 25 liters per minute. For those needing even more performance, there was an optional version that increased the flow rate to 12.4 gallons per minute, equivalent to 46.9 liters per minute. At the rear hitch, Category 2, the 2130 had a lifting capacity of up to 5,564 pounds, allowing the use of heavier implements and making operations more efficient. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Up next, we'll have another piece of content that might catch your interest.